Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome to Sookie Designs. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the quilt block markers from Purple Hobbies. This video is sponsored by Purple Hobbies, your place for custom design quilting notions. These quilt block markers are a very clever way to keep track of all your little bitty pieces for quilting, machine embroidery, and garment making. Maybe a few other things too. Let me go ahead and show you all the details and some things that you may or may not know about the quilt block markers. The quilt block markers come with 36 pieces. That's your A to Z and 0 to 9. And they come in a rainbow of color options. They're designed to be easy to read, and you only need one pin in order to secure it to your fabric. What's really great is that no matter what your pattern piece is, whether it's a quilt block piece or a garment piece, or maybe a piece for a bag, and honestly, I could use these for my in the hoop projects too. All you're gonna do is slip the pin through the top hole and then secure it to your fabric. Now let's say that you're working with something that has a right side and a left side. Well, then this is a great example of where you could use two different colors. Now, let's say you're working on a project and you're on the go. Well, of course you could use a straight pin, but what about a safety pin? This way you're not worried about poking yourself later and everything is nice and secure and that pin's not going anywhere. And this might be my favorite thing. You know those wool pressing mats that are really hot right now? Well, I've got a perfect solution to use those with the quilt block markers. What's great is you can put the little quilt block markers left and right, whichever colors, whichever numbers, and you can pin right directly into the wool pressing mat. Now, why is this great? Well, then you can pin all the pieces you need and you can move the wool mat around in your sewing space. How cool is that? So how cool are those little quilt block markers? In fact, I can't wait to get more colors so that I can really get organized. To get your very own quilt block markers, go to purplehobbies.com. And if you like this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my weekly newsletter, of course follow me on Instagram, and best of all, come have fun with us over at my Facebook fan club. You can find me everywhere at Sookie Designs. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye! If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye!